Join me as we prepare our vegetable and egg sauce. So one of the major work is prepping our veggies. So we're cutting our vegetables and legumes, carrots, green beans, yellow pepper, tomato, pea, pepper. We're going to prep them one after the other. So join me. Guys, this vegetable sauce and egg sauce is a must to have, must to know how to prepare if you want to live healthy and you want to reset your hormone, you want to improve your fertility, and you want to lose weight. This is definitely for you. We have a lot of food that, when cooked in the right proportion, in the right way, we improve our overall health and improve our chances of fertility. So we are done cutting down our green beans. Then we are doing our carrots. This is our yellow pepper, trying to chop them into tiny pieces. So just like I said, preparing this is the real work. So chop it into pieces. If you have vegetable chopper, better and easier for you, it will make the work easy. But if you don't have, you can also manually prepare them. So we are chopping our green pepper. So these all have different nutrients. So we'll chop them and set them aside. We're going to use them for both egg sauce and vegetable sauce. So all of them is what we use for the vegetable sauce and egg sauce, and I bet you would definitely love it. You would definitely love it. This is our red pepper, trying to chop them and also keep them aside. We have also cut our tomato and kept it one side. Here we are watching our ugu, also known as pumpkin leaf. Washing it thoroughly to remove any sand from it. Then preparing to chop the ugu leaf. So you can see we are using different variety of vegetables to get every nutritional content. You can use any green vegetable of your choice. Can use green, can use ugu. They're all fine. Trying to clear my sink. Watching my pea to set it aside. The major work is in preparing all the veggies, all the legumes, the green beans, setting them all aside. So you can see we have finally chopped all our vegetables and we have set them aside. and we'll begin our cooking. This is our carrots, finely chopped. This is our pea. This is our smoked fish, our tomato. This is our green beans. Everything is set. This is our ginger. This is our green leaf vegetable, our ugu. Our yam also is cut into smaller pieces. So we have put our oil on fire. Please try and use little oil as much as possible. Moderation is the key. I'm adding my chopped vegetable, onion. My ginger, garlic, and turmeric. I'm adding my tomato. So the remaining one will use it for tomato, for egg sauce. So we stir this until our tomato is a bit dry up. So once it's dried up, we'll add our pea first because it takes a bit time to get done. Then we'll add our green beans, carrots, our ugu. The last thing we put is our vegetable, our pepper, green beans, green pepper. We'll add everything up. Our smoked fish too is also not left behind to give it a wonderful taste. Add my curry, my salt, my Maggi. So adjust the salt and the Maggi to your taste. Basically, I don't put too much salt. I don't use more than 2 nor Maggi for my vegetable sauce. So I'm checking my yam. It is also boiling in the other burner. So I'm trying to debone my fish, wash them with warm water. So I can add it to the vegetable sauce. So you can see, peeling my yam. Back to this place where we are still, our tomato is still on fire. We are allowing it to dry a bit before we add everything, starting with the pea, carrots, green beans, the fish, then the ugu, which is the last to be added. You can use any season of your choice. So allow your tomato to dry a bit before you add all these things to give it a better taste. So if you will try this, I want you to put down in the comment section. Feel free to ask a question. I will also drop the ingredients in the comment section. So we are starting our egg sauce with your oil, your onion, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Then we'll add our tomato. So once we add our tomato, we add our pea. Then we'll add our egg. I'm using 5 eggs for this egg sauce. I reduce the heat when our yam is ready. So you turn it so that it doesn't get burned. You add your green beans, all the pepper, yellow, red, green pepper at once, carrots, so that it will be still crunch. Add a bit salt to season. So if you try this, what will you pair your egg sauce with? You can eat it with rice too. You can eat it with plantain. You can also eat it with yam if you want to. You can also take it with agidi if you want to. You have a lot of options. So if you try this, I want to see that in the comment section. And don't forget, your health truly matters. Take care of yourself before you fall sick. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share with somebody that we need to try this recipe. And always put the notification button on so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.